Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Shopify Basic Plan. This plan is perfect for new businesses, providing all the fundamental tools you need to start selling online. You get an online store, unlimited product listings, and 2 staff accounts to help manage your operations. It's designed to get your business up and running smoothly, allowing you to focus on your products and customers. Getting your store ready is straightforward. First, select a professional theme from the Shopify theme store to give your shop a unique look. Next, add your products, ensuring each has compelling descriptions and excellent photos. Don't forget to set up your payment methods, especially Shopify payments, for seamless transactions. Finally, configure your shipping and tax settings to ensure accurate charges for your customers. Once your store is live, managing products and orders becomes a breeze. You can effortlessly add new items, update existing ones, and keep your inventory organized. When an order comes in, the admin panel guides you through the fulfillment process. Plus, Shopify's built-in analytics help you understand your sales trends and customer interactions, making it easier to grow your business. To help your business thrive, the Basic Plan offers essential marketing features. You can create engaging discount codes and run promotions to entice new customers and reward loyal ones. Integrating your store with social media platforms is simple, extending your brand's visibility. While advanced features are in higher plans, the Basic Plan provides fundamental tools to start building your customer base and growing your online presence.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.